Hey guys, it's your girl Charisma. I am back with another review. To all my new subscribers, welcome to my K Squad. Let's jump right into this review. With another review. Today we're talking about the Anastasia Beverly Hills' newest mascara. This is called Lash Brag. This is going to run you $25 over at ABH.com, OUTRE, and Sephora.com. And I purchased the mini size, which is $13 in travel size. Like I say in most of my reviews, always purchase the travel size, mini size, etc. before you go ahead and dive into the, the original size, because you want to kind of sample it out first. And I am the queen of sampling everything. Makeup is extremely too expensive to be just diving in, spending all that money, and you end up not liking the product. So for me, I went ahead and purchased the mini first. Now this is the mini size right here of the mascara. It has Anastasia Beverly Hills on the front. A lot of people were a little peeved because this kind of looks like the Fenty Beauty mascara that just was released about a month ago. But to me, it doesn't bug me at all. I don't care what the packaging looks like. It's more so if the product can perform. Now this obviously is cruelty free. This is also a waterproof mascara. So if you guys are really into waterproof mascaras, this is definitely the mascara for you. And what I'm going to do is get right into the demo, and then we're going to come back and discuss her. So let's jump into the demo right now. I already have one eye done with the mascara on, and as you can tell, it's looking rather good, ma'am. So we're going to go ahead and do the left eye as well. Now the first thing that I'm going to be using is the Marc Jacobs eyelash primer. Eyelash primer pretty much works just like primer for your face works. It protects your eyelashes, it also elongates them, and it provides really good vitamins for your lashes as well. There's lots of really cool vitamins inside the Marc Jacobs lash primer. I believe you can pick this up at Sephora for $29. I'm not for sure, but I will link this down below as well. If you want to purchase this lash primer, you don't have to purchase the Marc Jacobs one. There's plenty of lash primers that are more affordable, but I'm bougie and I love Mr. Jacobs, so this is what I'm using, girl. So let's go ahead and start off with the primer first, and we're just going to prime our lashes. So I'm just going to prime the underside of the lash, and my lashes, listen, they still have like eyelash glue on them, which is gross. I tried to get it off, but girl, it don't want to. In with the mascara, and I'm going to coat the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and just apply. And when you're applying mascara, always look down. You don't want to look directly at the mirror, because that's how you get mascara all over your eyelids, and that's a no-no. I'm already loving how this looks. Oh yeah. Come on, volume. Hey you guys, so I am back, and I'm just going to let you guys know right off the bizat that I do like the mascara, okay? I do like the mascara, but I'm more keen on how it looks on my bottom lashes, because I wear falsies a lot, so the emphasis is on my bottom lashes as well. And I didn't like how this performed on my bottom lashes that much. It just wasn't enough mascara for me, and also the wand is big. Even in the mini, the wand is big. This reminds me of Too Faced's Better Than Sex mascara wand. It's really big at the top, and then it's smaller in the middle, and then big again at the bottom, which is cool. But when you're trying to do your bottom lashes, you don't want to make a mess and end up looking like a raccoon by the eye because of this brush. So I didn't like how it performed on my bottom lashes. I had to go in with another mascara. I'm not going to name it because we're talking about ABH right now, but I had to go in with another mascara as well on my bottom lashes, just to get the impact of the volume that I wanted. Now as far as the top lashes are concerned, I think it performed excellent. I love that it did volumize my lashes. As far as elongating them, I don't think it did that well of a job. But once again, your lashes could be longer and fuller than my lashes, but I just didn't like how it didn't elongate them the way that other mascaras do for my lashes, but the volume is definitely there. I do like that. I do like that the formula is pretty thick. It's not too thin, so I do like that as well. And as I'm reading here on the website, it says just a single coat delivers the perfect amount of product, leaving you with voluptuous defined lashes that last all day. It says if you want to brag a lot, apply 2 coats for extra length and thickness. And then total bragging rights, apply 3 coats for full on extreme volume. So I do have on 3 coats of mascara, and yes ma'am, it is definitely giving me all kinds of vibes here. Like I said, to me it's more so volumizing than it is elongating, because it does say here that it does elongate, but I don't know, I'm not sold on that. It also says that this ultra creamy mascara is designed to prevent clumping and create a long lasting effect. Now, me looking in the mirror, it didn't clump as much, but like I told you guys in the demo, I still have eyelash glue on my lashes that just won't come off right now, so that's probably why it is clumping. But even with the Marc Jacobs primer, that should have taken care of that. So I don't know, like the clumping isn't too bad though. It's cool. Like I'm not tripping off that at all. But altogether, would I recommend it? I would recommend it if you are into a volumizing mascara. I definitely would recommend this. And the price isn't bad at all if you just want to go ahead and get the travel size for $13. You're not really spending the $25 that you would as opposed to spending 13 bucks. So I would definitely do that. The best mascara that I've used so far, that's gonna be a no. It's not the best mascara that I used so far, but as far as volumizing, I think it really did the job and it stood up to its name. You definitely can brag about your lashes when you wear this. So this is definitely a win for me, and I definitely would be recommending it. But that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and click that thumbs up button for me. I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I do upload a video. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Follow me on all social media on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok. And until next time, you guys, I want you to stay safe. I want you to keep washing your hands and stay beautiful and blessed. Bye.